All right, Travis here at the Wholey Fish Market, one of the team members here. We do these cooking demonstrations to show you how easy it is to prepare seafood at home. Today we're going to do some shrimp scampi, really quick shrimp scampi. Here at the store we sell a garlic shrimp, or a garlic spread. It's everything you need for shrimp scampi. It's all in this spread. So I'm heating up about 5 or 6 ounces of this spread. Gonna get it nice and hot. We're using the Argentine 8 to 12, which is a jumbo size shrimp. It's on sale here this week at Wholey's. I've already peeled and deveined them. When you're making a scampi, it's basically sautéed shrimp in a garlic butter. You want to use a peeled shrimp. So I've got the garlic spread mixture nice and hot over a medium flame. It's bubbling. So I'm going to lay the shrimp in here. Shrimp takes literally a couple minutes to cook. 2-3 minutes per side. Once they turn bright pink, they're done. Again, I peeled, I took the vein out, which is an easy thing to do. You just take a paring knife, run it up the back. The vein comes right out, and then you just rinse them off. They come in frozen. All shrimp is packaged frozen, unless you're living on the coast. And I thawed them out last night in the refrigerator, so they naturally thawed out. And when I got in this morning, I just rinsed the ice off of them and peeled them. And you always want to make sure you got a nice dry, like take a paper towel and get the moisture off of them. So I got that nice and hot, lay them in there to look real nice and beautiful. This is an Argentine pink shrimp. Again, only found here at the Wholey Fish Market. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of cracked peppercorn. There's enough salt in the garlic spread. Again, this is only found here at Wholey's. Makes your life easy. Quick, easy shrimp scampi style. I'm going to put a lid on that just to speed up the cooking process. Again, this flame's at a medium high, I'd say. A couple minutes, I'm going to give them a flip. I'm going to pour a little bit of white wine in there at the end and some fresh lemon juice. Got a nice pink golden shine to it. Starting to brown a little bit. That's where you want it. The sound is perfect. That looks good. I'm going to pour in a little bit of white wine for some extra savory goodness. I like cooking with wine, and sometimes I put it in the food too. A little humor. Hit with a little bit of fresh lemon. Seafood loves lemon. I always just give them a quick touch. They should feel nice and firm, which they do. I'm going to call these done. I'm going to call them done real quick. Look how good that's. You could smell this, you'd be hungry right now. Boom, done. 15 minutes total prep to finished product. Serve that over some rice or some pasta. Healthy quinoa if you want to go that route. You've got quick, easy shrimp scampi. The only ingredients were the garlic spread, the shrimp, I add a little white wine. You don't have to do that. It gives a little more more of a, I don't know, just adds a little more richness to the dish, and then lemon. Call it a day.